Hi guys, so today we are back with another video on performance appraisals, and today we are going to discuss the key components of performance appraisals. So basically in key components we will be discussing about what are the important components which are in the performance appraisals. So previously, if you haven't seen my video on the performance appraisals basics and performance appraisals objectives, and I have also discussed the performance management process, then you can visit them on my YouTube channel, and then you can further understand what are the key components of the performance appraisals. So I will keep this video short and we will start talking about the very first one. These are the very basic key components. Number one key component over here is your colleague, boss, client feedback. So basically when they are going to perform your performance appraisal, they will ask your colleagues how was your work, they will ask your direct line manager or the boss, and there is a client feedback. So keep in mind, when you are working in a whole year or 6 months before the performance appraisals, your all thing should be there. Like you should have a positive feedback, you should have a positive feedback from your students, you should have positive feedback from your employees, and then this feedback is used for the key component of the performance appraisal. Very next thing is that they use employee accomplishment summary. What you have done over this 1 year, this is very important. Like what you have done, how many trainings you have taken, and what you were working, like what was your attendance, like what was your role, what was your work. So they will analyze your every different thing. So you need to know that you should have some good accomplishment over there, and you should not have any negative thing there. On number 3, they will review the goals and accomplishment, and there will be a performance feedback and appraisal meeting. This is basically, we also call it a performance appraisal interview. This is when after a year you are going to meet your head of department for a formal feedback on your performance. So this is not like an informal meeting, this will be a formal meeting with your head of department or your top management. So depending on your different organizations, this will be different. Then on number 4, there will be a development and learning plan. Based on your review of your goals, your accomplishment, they will see that how much this employee is working up in 2017, 2018 or 2019. What we have to give him, do we have to train him, do we have to fire him? So everything is decided from here and it moves to here. So basically if they are going to keep you, they will plan a development and learning plan. And this is also very important if you want to keep up your employees. So HR has to plan that what training we have to give to our employees, what will be the learning plans. After this, they move to the overall summary, performance summary. So basically they will see that how much you are ranking with our employees, and what are your ranking or your set criteria standard with the standards of the HR. So basically if they have settled 80% feedback is minimum, or you have to sell 5,000 products over a year. So they will see that what is your performance summary over that year. They will check that how you are going to do it. In terms of HR, if say that they will see your overall performance over a 6 month period or over a 1 year period, or if there are 3 performance appraisals in a year, they will check 3 times, and this is depending on the HR. On number 6, when we are working on the performance appraisal, it is merit recommendation. So over here they will recommend you if you had 75% feedback, they will recommend you how you can improve it, and they will suggest you some improvement. They will also suggest you some future feedback, and they will also suggest you many things. So depending how bad is that, if it is 75, somewhat good, but if it is 45%, then there will be a serious meeting with the HR on it, and they will be talking with you about your flaws, about your gaps, and might be they are thinking to fire you. So basically this is they recommend you over here. You will, on number 5, you will get to know you are going to be kept or not. On number 6, they will recommend you merit recommendation, and this is possibly a very good recommendation period, and you can use it for improvement. By next year when you reach up here again, the performance, they will see that what they have recommended you and what you have completed. So this is very important, you follow up the merit recommendations and you improve your work performance. So these are the key components of performance appraisals. I hope so you have just got the idea, and we have discussed all of these. So if you like my video, do subscribe to my channel and share video with the others. Thank you.